plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a deep breath in and out. And we are not doing a ghost type. I am making a simple Igglybuff, where I have hole punches to make everything, from the body to the feet to the arms. As you can see, I'm already pretty much done making the body. Yeah, this is one of those videos where I made a Pokemon because it was easy and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy anyway. I have done this before, like when I made either Electrode or Voltorb, and when I made Ditto. It's like, clearly you're lazy, Amy. Like, this is a lazy moment. Have some self-respect. But yeah, the end result is super cute, so I mean, it wasn't a complete waste. And it's one more Pokemon to complete my Pokédex, so yeah. I just used lots of hole punches. Now I'm doing the sparkle in the eyes with another hole punch and gluing all those pieces together. I still, of the like baby Pokemon from this generation, I still need to make Togepi and Pichu. I have made Cleffa. Cleffa is adorable. I highly recommend looking for that video of mine because it's so cute. I gave it a little bow in its hair. Unfortunately, Igglybuff did not get a bow because I was lazy. Yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in anyway. Yeah, I think I'm a little burned out, but not from Pokemon, just in general, a little burned out. Like, I deleted a bunch of social media apps off my phone, and I'll probably take some time off work soon and just relax. But Igglybuff is here. Igglybuff is here to solve my problems. Igglybuff is here to be simple and lovable. I had this really cute background paper of these little, like, they look like sleepy clouds, and since Igglybuff and Jigglypuff both will, like, sing you to sleep, I thought it was perfect for this little baby Pokemon. I actually think that this paper is from when I made someone a baby book. Because sometimes I actually know how to bind books. I don't think I've ever mentioned that on this channel, but when someone has a baby shower, I like to make them a little scrapbook for them to put little mementos in, so I think that's what this is from. Instead of my normal washi tape, I decided to use this really cool, it's like a fabric or a ribbon with adhesive on one side, but I did still use some washi tape. I used some pink striped washi tape on the lateral sides, and then I saved the ribbon for the top and the bottom. If you would like to see me create a more challenging Pokemon, or a simple and easy one like this, please comment down below. I really appreciate it. It helps keep me motivated. My goal is to at least finish 100 Pokemon before I give up. I don't want to ever give up, but if I do, I want to at least have 100 done. Because that would be quite a feat. Now I'm outlining the body a little bit with a black pen because I feel like the body color was very similar in shade to the background, so I just wanted it to stand out a little bit more. Oh gosh, if my tone in this makes it sound like I'm not okay, don't worry, I'm okay. I'm just a little tired. And Igglybuff is here to sing me to sleep. Yes. I really liked working with this ribbon, but it had been wound on the cardboard for so long that it kind of like, I don't know, I couldn't keep it straight on the paper. You'll see when I pull my hand away that on the left side there's a bump, and the same happens for this top bit as well. I don't know, maybe if I was paying more attention it would have turned out, but yeah, here is my quick, simple Igglybuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you again soon. Bye! I'm gonna take a nap.